Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing ABML, ASTA, BMIN, LCLP, LWLG, PXLW, RGBP, RGBP, SENS, and TOMDF. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and a little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like LWLG at $2.55, ENZC at 0.014, MJWL at 0.014, and ALPP at 7.5 cents. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 00. It will not work. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times if something hot comes across our desk, we'll shoot it out to our subscribers via text message only. So make sure you sign up with your email and your mobile number. And the best part is that both are a free service from us. With that being said, let's dive in here. First up is ABML. This stock was up 33%, and big news coming out of Nevada. U.S. Senator Catherine Cortez Masto, she announced that she, as part of the new infrastructure bill, she has secured $6 billion for battery manufacturing and a recycling grant program. This is huge, and ABML was talked about in this article. Doug Hamilton, head of policy at American Battery Technology Company, they're getting ready to break ground on their 60,000 square foot lithium ion battery recycling facility in Fernley. Was there, and he suggested that he's got a direct line into the senator. So even if they get 1% of the $6 billion, that's $60 million. Again, we think this is huge, and this is why ABML is running. The shorts have been all over this one, and I think this has major squeeze potential, and we could be back above the 52-week high of 490 if everything goes according to plan in Fernley. But I think this news with the senator on board, this certainly changes the momentum, and I think the ball is in the Bulls' hands right now. So congrats to ABML shareholders that bought the dip. I know it's been a frustrating time. We were all over ABML last year. You can go over here to the magnifying glass and just type in the symbol, and you can go and see what we've had to say. We've been bullish on this one for a while, and we said back in February 2020, we talked about how it was a good buy, and you go over here, this was 5 years. You go over to February 2020, this was at under 5 cents. So just an incredible winner for our subscribers, and one that we've been bullish on for the long term. So congrats to all in ABML. We think new highs are coming in ABML. ASTA, new highs on Friday. This is definitely been a big winner for our subscribers. We've talked about this one quite a bit. You can go and check out what we've said about ASTA. Alexander Delarge, Canadian Jennifer, have been talking about this one a lot on Twitter. So check out what they have to say. You could also check out our coverage on ASTA. It's right there on the site. They have a ton of IP, intellectual property, so these are the things that you want to look for in a OTC stock. A lot of times these IP companies get bought out, so definitely one you want to be paying attention to. BMIN, congrats, big winner for our subscribers. We put out notice about BMIN on Monday. New Bitcoin miner Bullet blockchain shoots into the OTC via reverse merger with Britannia Mining. This went on August 23rd. You go over here to August 23rd. The stock opened at 0.0187. So this was a 200% gainer for our subscribers this week. Congrats to all that caught the move in BMIN. We're going to have a new alert on Monday at the bell, so make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com. Let's see if what we have in store on Monday is as good as BMIN was this week. Moving on here, what else we got here? LCLP, they closed the Belfrix acquisition. This company is doing everything that they said they were going to do. Some profit taking on Friday, but definitely still closed in the green. We like what we see, and we think we see a dime in store for LCLP next. LWLG, this is one we've been all over on this year. Got our subscribers in since $2.55. Ran to 17, pulled back, pulled all the way back to 6. Now it's making another move. Definitely a quality company here, and these are the types of plays that you want to be buying dips. So definitely across the board, we like what we see, what we saw this week in the OTC. Definitely things are perking up, and we think it's going to be a great last quarter of 2021. So going to be some big numbers, we think, just like last year what we saw in on the OTC markets. PXLW, another big winner this week. We talked about this one the other day. Four big board penny stocks to watch. PXLW was one that we had on that list. Made new highs, hit 756. So congrats if you got in PXLW. Definitely like what we see in this one. So, you know, this is a NASDAQ penny stock. Guys, it pays to play both OTC and NASDAQ NYSE big boards. You know, these penny stocks can get hot. Don't pigeonhole yourself into a corner. Say, I only trade OTC or I only trade NASDAQ pennies. Guys, you're going to be leaving a lot of money on the table if you're doing that. So remember, the name of the game, it's all about P&L, putting money in your pocket, buy dips, sell rips, book gains, and move on. You know, don't get caught up into this diamond hands, paper hands BS, guys. It's all about making money in the end. Keep going. Book the profits where you can. You know, you don't have to take all your money off the table, but you know, take a good portion off the table, bank it, and then you could use that money in new plays. So, you know, learn to earn and learn to you know, manage your account properly. It's you know, money management, that is, you know, that's the most critical thing that you do. I mean, there are a lot of stocks to choose from, but how you manage that position is so important. You know, if it goes against you right away, are you quick to get out, take your loss, move on? Remember, taking losses is not a bad thing. You free up that capital, you can use it in a new play, and if you get into these losers and you keep throwing money at them, it's not only a money burn, but it's also a time suck, in terms of emotions. You got to be able to control your emotions. So learn money management, and it's all about identifying your own risk parameters and your risk tolerance. You got the clowns like Tim Sykes. He's a day trader. He says he is, whatever, but from everything that we've seen, he's just leading his sheep to slaughter. These are hard to day trade. We much prefer the swing style trading. This is where you buy low, sell high, let the trades play out over at least overnight, 2-3 days, maybe a few weeks, or even a few months. But again, that's where we see big money is made, is in swing trading and not day trading. Moving on, RGBP and RGBPP, just tremendous week. Congrats to all that got in both plays. We've been talking about these quite a bit. There is buyout speculation on Regen Biopharma. They put out an 8K with their patent on their antigen-specific mRNA cellular cancer vaccines. So, mRNA therapies, this is what Moderna and Pfizer used to create their vaccines. RGBP, Regen Biopharma, has a tremendous amount of IP. So definitely we think that they could be a buyout play. And why is the preferred running? Well, the preferred has just 414 million shares outstanding, whereas the common has 3.7 billion. So it's much easier to move the preferred than it is the common, and that's why the preferred is running, making bigger gains than the common. SENS, SENS, this was another one that we talked about this week. Big short position, 22% of the float is short, and we really can see the shorts getting their nuts squeezed in this, and we love seeing the shorts getting screwed over and having brown stains on their tighty-whities. So let's hope that there's a major spike next week in SENS and send the short scrambling to cover and propelling it much higher. So definitely we like what we see in SENS. TOMDF, colleague, biotech analyst Chris Sandberg was out Friday before the bell on talking about TOMDA, comparing it to Moderna. A lot of chatter about this article on social media. A lot of people really like it. So make sure you go and check out what he has to say about TOMDF. Moderna is over 400. TOMDF is just 4 cents. So, if you are in Moderna, it definitely would make sense for you to pick up some TOMDF. With that being said, guys, I want to wish everyone a wonderful and safe weekend. And remember to go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. You're going to want to get in on our list, get this alert that's coming Monday at the bell via email and SMS. We think this is going to be a hot alert. So definitely one you're going to want to get in on. With that being said, have a great weekend, everyone, and I'll be coming live to you on Monday with the new video and the new alert for subscribers. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.